Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox error 279 in my Windows 10 PC. So there is two methods to fix this error. First method is we will go to our control panel. Now in the control panel we will go to the network and sharing center. Now in here we have to click on change adapter settings. After here we have to click on Wi-Fi and then properties. Now here we have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, and here we have to click on this. Click on 1 1 1 1. Now in here we have to click on 1 0 0 1. Now we have to click on validate settings upon exit. We have to click on OK and then OK. So now Windows Network Diagnosis is detected problems. We have to click. Now we have to click on close the troubleshooter. The first step has been done. Now the second step is we have to go on our CMD and we have to click on command prompt. Now in the command prompt we have to give the command prompt 4 commands. So the first command is, these are 4 commands. The first command is ipconfig/flush DNS. We will copy this and then paste this command here and you will click on enter. So successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now we will go to our second command, which is net sh win stock reset. I will give this command in my video description, so don't worry. Now we will enter. Now we will go to our third command, which is ipconfig/release with a space bar between it. We will now enter. So now we go to our fourth command. Our fourth command is ipconfig/renew. Now we will enter. So now these were the two methods to fix the Roblox error 279. So after doing these fixes, our game will be run successfully and the error 279 will be solved. Roblox error 279 will be solved. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe.